Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm thrilled to say the electronics wiring is finally complete and the printer is fully assembled. Today is the big day. I'm going to run the first print on Caliburn, my DIY CoreXY 3D printer inspired by VZBot. The first layer looks flawless. I'm printing a 3D benchy sliced with super slicer using standard settings at 0.2 mm layer height and 50% gyroid infill. This is a 30-minute print, no high print speeds. Just a test to check system stability before calibration. You'll notice light stringing on the surface, a common issue and that can be resolved easily. This gives me a great baseline for retraction settings moving forward. During the print, significant frame wobble is visible because I had only used corner brackets and didn't lock the extrusions together. To address this issue, I reassembled the frame off camera using the blind joint method. It is important to use a washer with the M6 bolt to create a high clamping force at every joint. As recommended by makers in the 3D printing community, I reassembled everything on my kitchen granite counter. I started with resonance tuning using the ADXL345 accelerometer, which interfaces with Klipper and is a popular choice for this purpose. I completed the input shaper calibration by following the official documentation. Here are my results. For the x-axis, maximum acceleration is 10,800 mm per second square and for y-axis is 16,200 mm per second square. These values surprised me because generally the acceleration for x-axis is more than the y-axis. But it is opposite in my case, as the y-axis supports higher acceleration, indicating that the Delrin wheel motion system is outperforming all expectations. With those shaper values, I printed Voron cube and some test prints to refine line width, flow, retraction, infill, bridging, and speed and acceleration. The results confirm that my gantry can handle fairly aggressive settings. However, the RAM's 1.4 microcontroller is a bottleneck. I couldn't exceed the 100 mm per second print speed without hitting the MCU shutdown error. This is the specific error I was running into, saying MCU shutdown, reschedule timer in past. This generally occurs when the microcontroller has been requested to step at a higher rate than it's capable of obtaining. So I set the comfortable baseline acceleration at 8K at 80 mm per second for print moves and 12K at 100 mm per second for travel moves. Planning ahead, I will try upgrading the MCU to a 32-bit Big Tree SKR 1.4 to unlock higher feed rates and smoother UART handling. Despite the simplicity and lower cost, the Delrin wheel motion system is incredibly robust. It's holding up well and gives the printer a sleek, purposeful look in black, white and red. I will try clocking more print hours and produce parts for ongoing projects. And also, I have plans for adding an enclosure. This build is turning into a fast, reliable test printer I have always wanted. It's been a fantastic platform for experimentation. Big thanks to everyone watching this journey so far. Stay tuned as I refine resonance tuning and upgrade hardware and push the performance even further. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.